I have recently got my ears pierced. हम रात को सोए नहीं. I slept at 6 in the morning. I know it's looking ugly, but it is tasty, guys. I'm sure. Look, then do some shaky. Okay. You know, पिशवीला हिंदीमध्ये काय म्हणतात? थैली. दूध की थैली, guys, goes in this. We unknowingly ended doom scrolling. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Kakal Shrutika. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is a very long time I've been shooting since, vlogging since. Okay, so tomorrow we have our pharmac exam. Today is 7th, tomorrow is 8th of June, and we have our university exam from tomorrow. So yeah, अभी मेरे बहुत से टॉपिक्स पढ़ के हो चुके हैं, बट मैंने सिर्फ पढ़े हैं, मतलब आई हैव जस्ट पेंट थ्रू देम. मुझे कुछ ऐसा अच्छे से नहीं आता, बट अभी हम रिवाइज करेंगे क्योंकि वी हैव आवर एग्ज़ाम टुमारो एट 1:30 और अभी बजे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 3. सो वी हैव 22.5 hours लेफ्ट फॉर आवर एग्ज़ाम. सो या, तो अभी हम रात को बहुत लेट सोए थे. हम रात को सोए नहीं. आई स्लेप्ट एट 6 in the morning और उसके बाद मैं 12 बजे उठी. इट्स फाइन. हाँ, तो उसके बाद अभी हम पढ़ेंगे. अभी 2:45 हुआ है, तो हम 3 बजे पढ़ने बैठेंगे. तो या, let's see you after that. Also, me and my mom have recently started a small business where we sell crochet products. So if you don't know about it, and if you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, I just share the link of our Instagram page in the description. Do follow us and order our products. Also, we make custom orders, so you can just share whatever you want on our DMs and we'll make it for you.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we are back after taking a bath. We were supposed to sit for studying at 3, but currently it is 3:07. Oh shit. 3:07, so it's completely okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I have already done most of the answers. So basically I don't study everything in the syllabus. I just go through the PYQs because I don't have that time to study each and every topic. So right now I have done with most of the PYQs. So I'll just go through once. I'll just read out them once and then I'll write them down, because if I write it, it gets fixed in my mind, or else it don't. So firstly I'll just go through it, I'll read it and then I'll write it. So yeah, let's go. Also, in case you don't know, I have recently got my ears pierced. So yeah. So it's almost been an hour since I'm studying. So right now I'll just have some coffee and we'll be back again, because we don't have an option. We have to study in any case. So yeah, sad. Okay, so guys, now we'll be making a cup of coffee. Like mangoes, guys. Okay. Yes, now this one of juice. Shrutika special. Oh, sorry guys. This is Shrutika special coffee, guys. So this is unknown brand coffee which we have put in this cup. Thanks. Now we will take our frother, of course, and then going. Yes, this is what we are supposed to do. Once we are done with this, guys, what we will do is wash this first. Now we will put some ice cube in this sundar sa cup. So again, wait. So firstly we will close the lid and then do some shaky. Okay. कॉफी बनवती है काय? नाही, माझं जेवण झालं. मला परत भूक लागली. येस, जस्ट लुक. हो, खाते मी परत. मला झोप आली आहे. मम्मी कॉफी पिते. Now we will put doodh into this. Doodh, milk, yes. This दूध guys, this दुधाची पिशवी. पिशवी, you know. पिशवीला हिंदीमध्ये काय म्हणतात? थैली. दुधाची दूध की थैली guys goes in this. Oh sorry, this पिशवी. Then we don't need this, so this goes back in fridge. After this, for the final touch-up guys, we put some chocolate syrup, sorry. Chocolate syrup. This is about to end, so it will take time to come out. Wait. So wait guys, I'll show you the final product. Haha. I know it's looking ugly, but it is tasty guys, I'm sure. Look at this guys. So yeah, we'll go back to study now, because we have to complete a lot more. Also look at this. Wait, I'll give you a tour of my fridge. This one is bought from Balaji. This is from Delhi. This is from Shanghai, China. Shanghai, China. This is from Nainital, Uttarakhand. This is from Normandy, France. This one is from Bangalore. This is from Amritsar, Punjab. Golden Temple. This is the plate of momos from China. This is Jagannath Puri, Odisha. This is Vuxi City, China. This is Tirupati Balaji. This is from National Games, Uttarakhand. This is Kashmir. This is Hampi, Karnataka. So yeah, this is how our fridge looks like. Guys, now we will taste this coffee and I'll give you the rating, okay? Wait. Not too chan, not too bad, but 8 out of 10. It's fine. It is good. Guys, we unknowingly ended dome scrolling. But it's fine. So currently it is 5:15, I guess. 5:17. It's 5:17. Yes, sorry. Oh, it's 5:17. Okay, believe me. It is 5:17, and now I have to cover 3 next topics, which is I tell you. Yeah. So now I'll be doing SMRs, NSAIDs, and insulin. So these are the 3 topics I'll be covering within the next 1 hour. After that, let's see what I'm supposed to do. Let's go.